The linear speed of a uniform spherical shell after rolling down an inclined plane of vertical height h from the rest will be equal to. Let me consider there is a vertical height over here. Okay, there is a vertical height h. Okay, and this is rolling down an inclined plane. This is a spherical shell. So its moment of inertia for the spherical shell will be equal to, about its center of mass will be equal to 2 by 3 mr square. So basically over here this is the moment of inertia. So we have to find out the velocity at the bottom. Now the kinetic energy at the top will be equal to the total energy at the bottom, or the potential energy at the top will be equal to the kinetic energy at the bottom. That is, the total energy at point A will be equal to total energy at point B. So total energy at point A will be equal to mgh. It will be equal to kinetic energy at the bottom. It will be equal to half mv square, okay, plus half I omega square. Okay, we have to find out the linear velocity over here. So this can be written as half mv square plus, over here I can be written as 2 by 3 mr square into over here v square can be written, omega square can be written as v square divided by r square. It will be equal to v square divided by r square. Now over here r square will get cancelled out. It will be equal to mgh will be equal to half mv square plus 2 and 2 will also get cancelled out, 1 by 3 mv square. Okay, so it is equal to half mv square plus 1 by 3 mv square, which is equal to 5 by 6 mv square. Okay, over here m and m will also get cancelled out. V square will be equal to 6gh divided by 5, or v will be equal to root 6 by 5 gh, which is equal to option number C.